Landers. Welcome to the mainstream. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Good morning, everybody. Kyle Lubers, good morning. Black Light Gypsy, good morning. Mike Rich, good morning. Hansman, good morning. Mike Rich said, I skipped it too. Couldn't see a clear move. Kyle Lubers asking, did anyone pass your evals using the news? If you guys don't know, news is the easiest way to pass your evals. Absolutely, incredibly easy to pass them. And this morning we had a news move from news big enough to pass your 50K evals. This big spike down was caused by news PPI numbers, 8:30 a.m. I mentioned that yesterday's stream. It was this morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, and it was a move bigger. Just note, pandas, you need a 6.25 point move in order to pass your 50K accounts. That will cover your commissions. That will cover your, basically cover your commissions. So it's best to have that 6.25 move. This move here was generated by a news event, PPI numbers, and it was big enough to pass a 50K eval with 10 contracts. Notice that, pandas. Just take note of that. Mo7 reminds everyone, let's get that one scalp a day to keep the boss away. Pandas, we are waiting for the big news on Thursday in order to pass it, which is tomorrow. And hopefully, with the news tomorrow, we'll get a move big enough. Also, remember today we do have news at 2 o'clock today at the FOMC minutes. And notice that it's just the minutes, not with the. It doesn't come with the press conference. So typically, it's a smaller move, but it can still be big enough to pass your 50K evals. Got a trap trade here. It looks actually quite nice. I'm going to sit on my pause though. So with that being said, since we're waiting for tomorrow, we will be trading sim today. Just notice that, pandas. We'll be trading sim. I'm keeping it 100 with you guys. Absolutely 100. Keeping it a buck. This trap is not the worst one to take. It's not that bad, actually. Risk is small as well. Just sit on my pause. This is too close to the open. Blacklight Gypsy asks, what do you guys do when you notice you're not trading according to your plan? The obvious answer is to go on full tilt and do whatever it takes to make your money back. I'm just kidding, of course. It's tough. It's really tough. Usually after three losses, I stop trading. But man, if your accounts are on life support, sometimes it's not even worth. It's not even worth waiting. Quick look at the daily chart. We got a potential hammer coming off of the 20 MA. We'll see here. I think we'll get a bounce off the 20 MA. I think we'll break the previous candle's low on the daily chart. 10,000 tick chart. Just wild price action. What can I say? Yesterday's price action was quite wild. We had this monster move up, and then all of a sudden, a trap trade triggering this huge reversal. 2000 tick chart. I finished a stream after I made this 2 to 1, and it really gets crazy here. I made a couple circles here on good trades here. You got a second entry short, also a failed second entry short here with a break of trend to new low. So you take that reversal. Only gives you a scalp, but scalp is good enough, right? A 1 to 1 scalp, correct? I don't follow V Wilson. He's not verified. I don't follow anyone that's not verified. Oh, that's right. I'm the only one that is. Goodness gracious. Okay, good skip here, looks like. Market's about to open in 4 minutes. Gonna sit on my pause until market opens. Your trap trade fails right there. Nasty move. So you do gotta break a trend to new low. You already have this break a trend, or sorry, to new high, new extreme. That is a decent place to take a trap. Potential second entry short here. Still too close to market open, sitting on my pause. Fans, make sure you scalp that like button. You need a second entry short here. Pikachu trade. It's a better setup than this one. Huh. Looking for a new low still. I don't know. That's tough. Really close to market open. Jeez. I'd hate to enter a trade just to lose it right before the market opens. Hmm. Got a second entry short here. It's such a good signal bar though. It's too close to market open. It's such a good signal bar, pandas. It's just so close to market open. I don't know what to do. I mean, that's a pretty good retracement there. I can get it with a pretty good entry if I can get it here. I mean, you got a 2 point risk. It's no big here. It's a really small risk here. I'll take it. I'll take it. It's just really close to market open, but I like how it looks. I like the fact that we're looking for a new low still. It's a second entry short, beautiful looking signal bar, and I got a pretty deep retracement, only risking. I'm risking less than 2 points here, pandas. Today is sim. We'll be trading. Hopefully on Friday we'll be trading with P accounts. Hopefully Friday. Big news is tomorrow.
5-minute trap.
Market just opens, and this is take me out, huh? So what happens when you trade too close to market open? You get the volatility of the market open, really messing up your trade. Takes me out. It's a dumb trade. I mean, my rule is basically not to trade into the market open, and that's what I just did, unfortunately. But the risk was so small, the signal bar was so beautiful, the setup was so good, I decided to take it anyways, pandas. I do not care. Guyman says Al Brooks' way of trading is way better than Max. I would 100% agree. Like I just is there a way to set groups on Repliconta that you can save for future? Yes, of course. Of course, of course. Just save the workspace. Save the workspace. And it's in. Yep. Don't worry about it. No money lost here. We're just chilling. Of course we want to take the best trade possible, but man, it is you know. Woo! What was that? Peter Show, good morning. Welcome guys. Welcome, 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 welcome. Thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for joining. Here we go. Mike G should have a Tilt Trade Thursday stream, but only on Sim, what not to do. I mean, if I could tell you what not to do only, then in a sense, I will be trading perfectly. If I could lose every trade, technically, I'm reading the market perfectly. Not a bad idea though. Have one day dedicated to just Sim. No tilt Tuesday. I feel like Tuesday would be better, like no tilt Tuesday. Or tilted Tuesday. Tilted Tuesday or tilted Thursday, which is better? It may not be a bad idea, actually. I thought Tuesday would be better, but tomorrow's Thursday, so it makes sense. Pandas. Rocking and rolling here. What's going on? This is it is what it is. Hopefully we get some good price action here. I'm not sure if you guys watched, if you guys were trading yesterday, but geez Louise. I mean, when your price action looks like this for majority of the day, that is horrendous. And thoughts and prayers to your accounts. Because if you're able to survive this kind of price action here, look at all this chop, look at all this overlap. It's absolutely disgusting. Hopefully, if you made money, if you traded yesterday and made money, then congratulations. Better than most, probably. Peter Show says the news didn't do much. If you actually look at this bar here, this movement here is more than 6 points, which means that you could pass any 50K account, and this is when the news happened. So it didn't move like incredibly a lot, but enough to pass a 50K account, which is enough to mention. Turtles mentions we're in a channel, and we are in a channel actually. Something along these lines, in my opinion. Drawn bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Second entry long here. You take this trade, it'll be a swing trade, a breakout trade. You can take it, but I'm gonna sit on my pause here. It's just a 50-50 trade. I'd rather do the breakout retest. Right? You want something like this, like a breakout, retest of the breakout point, and then trade that second entry long. Something along those lines. That's a better setup. That's what you're looking for. Here, it's a really big gamble to see if you would break out because most breakouts fail. So you'd be really trading a breakout here. Second entry long here. Ah, oh man, I don't know. Hillian says trap on 10K chart. Is it? Must be missing something. I don't see it. Oh boy. Yeah, see, if you took that second entry long, you'd be sweating right now. That's why I don't take that. You just lost your trade if you went second entry long there. That was a trap trade. You just lost it. Most breakouts fail. It's better if you wait for the breakout to happen than do a retest. Much better to wait for that. Sorry, I did reload here. That's what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing a triangle forming, an ascending triangle. Ascending triangles are typically bearish patterns, but we'll see what happens here. It's a trap on 10K. I don't see the trap. I mean, you might be using a different definition of a trap for me than I use. Yo, welcome. Global Impact, welcome. Global Impact says, do you have a video on how you coded how to count the bars? I don't have a video on how I coded my indicator here, which, by the way, you can purchase at www.twoleggedpullback.com. If you want more information, you can go there. There's a free trial for those who are interested. All right, we're still bouncing off of this like triangle you can see here. Like I said, I like to wait for the breakout retest. I'm leaning towards short because this is an ascending triangle. Ascending triangles are bearish patterns. It makes sense, right? Because, if you're having ascending triangle, that means you're kind of slowly going upwards. And by the time you break out to the top side, it feels overextended. Still waiting. Got nothing to do here. It is a second entry long, but it's so choppy, it's very hard to tell what's going to happen here. %15 of you guys said yes, that you did a make or break trade with the news at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So absolutely incredible. That means you guys have most likely passed your evals. Got a trap trade here. Probably the most enticing trade so far today. Trap trade. All right. I'll be failing. Confusing. Trap trade may fail. Oh boy. Oh boy. That is tricky right there. It's very tricky price action. Prepare because any chance you're going to make updated versions? Yes, I will. I will eventually. Blacklight Gypsy said 1,500 on a day, but split between 6 accounts. Got to phone in the rest because of work. I have a great day, everyone. Congratulations, Blacklight. Got it. Got your bamboo. Sometimes I can predict the chop very early. Turtle toes, lots of prayers. Yeah. I mean, I can see why you get chopped up here. It's just very choppy. Sometimes I'm very good at detecting the chop. Sometimes I'm not. It's really tough. It's just some days I feel more patient than others, I guess. Get another push down, another failed trap here. I'll take this. I'll take this. I'll take this trap trade here. Thinking we'll get a decent push down here. We're in this trade. Again, small risk. That's why I like these trades. It's a small risk, but big reward, right? Big reward. Getting a breakout trade potentially, but very small risk here, which is what I like a lot about it. Good risk reward. Probability is 50-50 probably at this point. I'm not even worried about those little jerks. Those jerks going upwards. I got cojones made out of diamonds. GIA certified. Goodness gracious, what is going on? I am worried now. If this goes reverses here, it is muy mal. Mr. Panda, was the news good or bad? I just do not know. It doesn't really matter because at the end it's all about price action. A 1-to-1 on the main position and a 2-to-1 on the runner here. It should come out break even because this trade reversed on me. I missed the opportunity to come out break even here. We'll come out break even. Market trade already reversed on me once, so just come out break even and just be happy with it. This could really break down here though. It's a second entry short. Sure, why not? Why not? Or it could actually reverse here and I just saved myself from losing another 200. And that's what I did. I saved myself from losing 200. So if your trade ever reverses, it's never that bad of an idea just to get out of the trade, which is what I did here, especially with one tick, plus one tick. Take it. 21% of you guys are wondering what is a make or break trade. If you guys don't know what a make or break trade is, Apex is very laxed on how you pass your evals. And it's a good time to take advantage of it while they are very lax with the rules of the evaluations. I personally think they just have so many evals going through their system that they just do not care how you pass them. And when you wait for a news event, sometimes there are big news events that you can predict. And I consider them called make or break news events because literally in one trade with the news, you can pass your eval if you trade max contracts. For instance, for the 50K account, every account size is different, but for the 50K account, you need a 6.25 move to pass your 50Ks with 10 contracts. And with this move here, with the news 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, this move was larger than 6.25 points. That means if you took this trade to go short, you're able to pass your evals in one single trade. And that's what I mean. That's what I mean by make or break. Not a trap trade here, but this is so choppy. It's not a trap I'm willing to take. Trap trade does trigger. Interesting. I don't know. This is confusing. It's just too choppy. I'd rather wait for the chop to resolve. We're still basically contained in this ascending triangle, as you guys can see. Let me come back to the top of the triangle. Sure, why not? Vegas features. Good morning, pandas. Did anyone let Thomas Wade know I gave him a shout out during my stream yesterday? I literally was just shouting his name. He should be consider himself lucky. Trap fails. This absolutely disgusting price action. It's a decent short to take, in my opinion. Failed trap in this area. I failed to reach the top of the triangle here. Another push down. Vegas, he said, shout out to Bob Marley for introducing me to the 10,000 tick chart. Let's go, baby. I did some good in this world. At least a little bit of good. It's all that matters. Oof, look at the 5-minute chart, kid. Pandas, look at that. That's ugly. I mean, it looks like a bull flag about to be formed here. Bull flag. Boom. 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 Something like that. It looks bullish. What can I say? What can I say? Now it looks bearish. What can I say? What can I say right now? All right, a push down now. Interesting. Absolutely confusing in my opinion still. The fact that we failed to reach the top of this triangle makes it look like we're pretty bearish here. No entries here. Might as well just go short at any candle at this point. Just go short right here. Why not? Goodness gracious. It's wild. I got no setup, right? You got no setup in all of this nonsense. You can just tell by the price action, this is getting really choppy. And having a hard time really breaking out to the upside. Getting a big move down here. Oh boy, it's gonna be one of those days, huh? I'll take a second to short here, Panis. Sure, why not? Panis, make sure you guys scalp that like button. Mm-hmm. Want to move up? I mean, look at that 5-minute chart, Panis. This just comes down to test of 20 EMA here. Notice on the 5-minute chart there is a gap that may need to be filled, which is Nutty Bar's favorite thing to do, filling the gaps. If you guys haven't seen Monkey Man Trade's most recent video, it's ridiculous. This guy's a legend. Absolute legend. Got a nudge set up here. Maybe it feels like entry long. I'm eager to go short, but not that eager. Not with the outside bar reversal here. I am quite eager to go short, though. For me, the dead giveaway is the fact that this swing up could not reach the top of this triangle, which gave us idea that we may start pushing down here. It's tough to say. 5-minute chart, we're right on the 20 MA. I usually don't like to trade against that. Typically a bad idea too. Typically, but who knows if today would be typical. Grab me trigger here. Ah, it's a tough one. It's truly a tough one here. It's not close to the 20 MA. Yeah, I guess I'm skipping it. It's a bad reaction already. Good skip, nevertheless, already, in my opinion. Alright, the trap triggers, but we're not close to the 20 MA, which is why I didn't take it. And I'm eager to go short here. One of those days, Pandas. One of those days. Very, very slow, very choppy. Could be forming a second entry short here. I may be interested in it. But we need to set up the trigger first. Ting Lee says, "Get my PA count and blew it at the next day." I'm not gonna lie, that has happened to me before. It's happened to a lot of us. You're not special, trust me. Almost name any mistake and I have made it. I have made it already. Probably times 100. What is this, though, Pandas? This is crazy. Complete sideways price action. Micro triple bottom here. Failed trap. We're making a second entry short instead. This is mighty confusing. Regardless, I'm happy not taking that short. But we may get the second entry short here. Micro triple top here. Doesn't quite touch 20 MA. Ah, give me some content, please. Jeez, you would reverse on me. Hate this market. I hate these type of markets. So I'm way too impatient for these markets here. Got a second entry short. Good signal bar, but not close to the 20 MA. It just rips my face off the moment I enter the trade. I hate it. I hate it. Absolutely hate that. Micro triple top's gonna get me again here. It's ridiculous. What a day to trade, though. Whoa, there might be a chance. Might be saved by one tick. Okay. Oh, let's go, baby. 1-to-1. Jeez, that was just nerve-wracking. I hated it. We got the 1-to-1. Let's see if we can get a runner here, Pandas. 10,000 or 5-minute chart, bottom of the trading range. 10,000 tick chart, bottom of the trading range as well. And it looks like it might not matter here. We shall see. Scalp a day keeps the boss away. I wonder if I'm green. I don't know if I'm green yet. I'm barely green. But green is green, Pandas. Let's get a decent push down. I mean, I'm going to just keep running this. Virtually no reason not to run it right now. Your runner should be at least 2x of the original risk reward. It should be at least 2x. That's what your runner should be. To make up for all the times you lose it. In fact, it should be like 10x. This runner doesn't look like it will last very long. Hey, but pandas can dream. This panda is dreaming. Oof. Ah, no joy on runner. Pandas, what is that? Down $37 though. I'll take it for now. Tough, tough, tough. I still like the premise to go low or to go down. Nah. At least you get the 1-to-1, right? The 1-to-1 risk reward on the initial scalp. And then you have a runner, which is free money. It's just bonus money. And unfortunately, it doesn't go much further than the scalp before it hits the break even +1. So there's just not much I can do there, pandas. There's just not much I can do there. By the way, Pandas, if you guys are just joining, I'm Bye Bye Money. Thank you for joining here. We are trading Sim today. I want to be fully transparent. It's because on Friday we'll get our PA counts, and until then we'll be trading Sim. So you guys are not. I'm trying to keep it a buck here. I'm gonna keep it 100% for you guys. But this Friday, hopefully we get our PAs. It's because tomorrow we have a big news event. CPI numbers will be released at 8:30 a.m. and that's the news event I'm looking forward to be able to pass my 50K accounts with a make or break trade. But it's good to be with you guys with this community and still trying to get that scalp a day keeps the boss away. Honing my skills here with the greatest coming out on YouTube verified, so it doesn't even matter. What happened to my ascending triangle? It broke down. When ascending triangle and it broke down, this is a bearish pattern. And it failed to reach the top of the triangle with this push up. So this was a good sign that we're going to go short, which is why I took the short here. What a wild looking price action right now. Could create another second entry short here. But this time it might be a failed second entry short leading to a reversal. That could be very possible at this point. I wouldn't even be surprised. But pandas, we do have FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. today. So we could be slow until then, to be honest. Who knows? But this price action is horrendous. Very untradeable. I'll wait for the trap trade here, pandas. Why not? I'll wait for a trap trade here. I'll take it. I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna go short here. I like the idea of going short here. Woo! I don't know if I want to go short anymore with a signal bar that looks like that. Ooh, wow. Yikes. Alright, fine, I'll go long. If you want me to go long, I'll go long. Sorry. Give me a fail second to short here. I'll go long here. A, B, C, A. Fail second entry short here is a possible pandas. It does not look good. It looks super sus, but I'm going to take it. Fail second entry short. Looking for it now.
Five-minute trap.
Five-minute trap. You heard a lady. Either a buy or sell here. Five-minute chart setting itself up for a fail second entry long. And coming back to the bottom of the trading range also to fill the gap. I'll take it, Panos. I'll take this. We got one more minute on this candle, though. Notice the risk is quite large as well. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4. A little less than 5 point risk. For now, at least. Cruz says this is the Patrick Wyman trade. Just enter on both sides, and whichever one makes profit, then you switch over and say, I'm already in this trade, making tens of thousands of dollars. All right, Pans, I think we're good here. Just move it here.
5-minute trap.
Get it? Get it? Trap trade, 5-minute chart. Easy to see with the indicator, but here it is drawn out. A, B, C. A, we're in this trade. You want a one-to-one at the very least. And we run the rest. See what happens, 5-minute chart trade. I think we have a good chance to try to fill the gap here, so I like the probabilities of the first of the original or the scalp, the core of these trades. There's only one contract, but I like the chances here. I like the trap trade. 5-minute trap. Going towards, you're at the top of the trading range, come back to the bottom trading range. That's what you want ultimately. Getting 2 points here. I definitely want the one-to-one here, especially on a trap trade. Heading to the bottom of the trading range on a trading range indicator. Keep getting these little jerks down. I mean, I'll take it. 5-minute one-to-one. You see this blue line here? If you guys don't know, the line tool comes native with a dot in the middle of it. So that means that if you place this dot where you enter and then you find yourself putting it at the stop, then you get the one-to-one risk-reward ratio. 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. There's a tool called risk-reward on the trader. And here's my 2-to-1. One-to-one looks like it might work out, pandas. I mean, you want to fill the gap here as well. It's looking good. Looking really good right now. Oof. Oof. Give it to me. I could have waited for the 1-to-1, but I didn't want any nonsense. I didn't want one tick to stop me. Got that bamboo. Scalp a day keeps the boss away. Let's see if we can get the 2-to-1 risk reward ratio here. At this point, this is free money. Got a solid bear bar ending on its low here underneath the 20 MA. This could trigger a strong downtrend for the rest of the day. Could seriously be always in short for the rest of the day here. Let's see if there's follow through though. It's a beautiful move right now. I'm glad I partook in it. Or is this dude the Patrick Wyland voice? Honestly, I haven't watched enough of Patrick Wyland videos to know how he sounds like. I can't even impersonate him, I'm sorry. I wish I could. What is that? Are you gonna take me out now? On the 5-minute chart, strong bear bar ending on its low. You're thinking there's some follow through there, especially with the gap just a couple points away to be filled. Carlos says all you have to do is scream and yell. I can't even do that. Oof. Ouch. This might take me out before my runner can really cook. You gotta let it cook though, Panis. Gotta let it cook. There's nothing I can do. If it takes me out, it takes me out, but you gotta let this cook. Let him cook. What a tease. Just watching this. I'll like the 2-to-1 very much here. Let's see if we get it though. Doesn't look like it. It would take me out before it really goes down. Please, whatever you do, don't not shoot me in the tick. There's nothing more infuriating than that. Whatever you do, please do not do that. Market's literally putting me down, putting me to sleep here. What in the world's happening? Pan has noticed that there is FOMC minutes coming out at 2 p.m. today on Eastern Time. Is it a make or break news event? I don't know. It's not coupled with the conference, so I really don't know. I think the CPI numbers have a higher chance to be a make or break news event. Ooh, okay. Pause bar here. Let's see which way the market goes from here. There's a strong bear bar ending on its low with a pause bar. No follow through yet, just a pause bar. Ooh, pause bar and then reverses here. No follow through whatsoever. Bottom of the trading range. Maybe come back to the top of the trading range. Unfortunately, it might take me out here. Very close. Taking me out. Oh, one more tick. Please. Please. Don't take me out. Please. Goodness gracious. Are you serious? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys see this? I gotta say about one tick. I'll take it. I'll take it. I don't care. I'll take whatever you give me. Goodness gracious. Why would you save me by one tick just to film me later? What in the world? Why would you tease me like that? What is this? Goodness gracious, this is wild. No Man 2 says, how to maintain excitement even training sim. The secret is you just, just trade it like you trade normally. That's the secret. The secret is start a stream, have hundreds and thousands of people watching. Even sim feels like real money. It's because no one cares if it's sim or not. Everyone wants to see how well you trade, that's all. Truly, no one cares if it's sim. They just want to see if you're good enough to make money. That's the secret.
5-minute trap.
Pandas! Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Am I saved by one tick? Can you see this? All you need is one tick. My god. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? We're going to fill this gap now. We are still in a runner here. This is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Just did a Neo. Matrix. Oh, what the? Why would you do that? Oh, second entry short trigger is on the 2000 tick chart, but might be a trap reversal trade here. Interesting. You really think on the 5-minute chart you're going to fill the gap here, so close to it. I seriously dodged that. And what happened when I'm on sim? That never really happens when you trade for money. Only happens with sim. Goodness gracious, this is disgusting here. Probably fill the gap now. That's why you gotta pay attention to the trap trades, right? This magenta 3 here, um, means it's a trap trade, and this is on the 5-minute chart. So those trap trades are very, very good trades on the 5-minute chart and the 10,000 tick chart. So you gotta take those when you get them, especially with a 1-to-1 risk reward. It's a beautiful trade here. Fortunately, it looks like it's about it does trap. Wow,
5-minute
triggers.
trap.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What is happening? This is confusing. Your man says I need to buy a Powerball ticket, perhaps. Perhaps. Maybe not, though. This is really confusing on 2000 tick. 5-minute chart? Still don't know. You would love to see this have some continuation now downwards. Can't believe I'm still in this trade. It's ridiculous. That's the thing about the 5-minute chart. Every candle's 5 minutes. So I entered the trade here on this candle. 1, 2, 3, about 15 minutes in this trade. About to go to 20 minutes. Woo! Panda's getting a lower high here. Take it. What? What is happening? Pandas. Okay. We trigger the trap here. That is incredible. I can't believe I didn't get stopped out by 1 tick. Goodness gracious, calculated. Sick. It's absolutely sick. The market is wondering, how does bye money, how is he so accurate here? Seriously. What a save. Wow. 1 tick. It may do no good. Like, why would you do all this price action if you're going to take me out anyways? I create a second entry short here. We're still not in the clear. Absolutely not. All I know right now, though, I'm in a risk-free trade. Take the risk off. How do we take the risk off? What do I mean by we're taking the risk off? Originally, my risk was up here, but once we made the scalp, you can see the little teeny blue diamond or triangle here saying that that's when I exited. We take the risk off by now. You see this yellow line here. That's where I entered the trade. You take the stop, go to it, and you can save yourself even 1 tick here with commissions by doing break even +1. So now I got no more risk of my original capital. This is all extra money here. This is what? What? What's happening, pandas? It's disgusting. This is absolutely filthy price action. It's vile. Should be illegal. Straight to jail. This price action should be illegal. What the? What is happening here? Look at this candle. It's a failed trap. Unbelievable. It's a failed trap. Reverses. It's absolutely unbelievable. What's happening? I mean, can we not even fill the gap on the 5-minute chart? That is disgusting. Truly, can you not feel the gap? You're about 2 points away from here on the low. That's disgusting here, Pandas. It takes me out. Like, what was the point of saving me by 1 tick if you're just gonna take me out anyways just a few minutes later? What is the point of that, Pandas? That is just... It's just rude. What the... What is this? Second entry short forming here, though.
Five-minute trap.
What? Okay. What? Sick. 5-minute chart is wild, huh? Anything can happen in 5 minutes. I think I once saw a 50-point candle on the 5-minute chart. No cap, seriously. Wow, look at this price action. It like reverses and then it kind of makes it look like we're gonna keep pushing down just to find itself back up here. What is happening here, Pandas? What is this? This is nasty. Triple bottom here. Whatever. It is what it is. Disgusting. I'm cruise of day 2 with no trade. Sticking to my strategy, day 2. Oh, what is your strategy? Just watching paint dry? It's actually not bad strategy. What? Pandas? Wait. That doesn't happen in real life. Whoa. This is a movie? I just got saved 2 times by 1 tick. What? This is crazy, Panda. What? I'm actually angry that this makes no sense. I just got saved 2 times by 1 tick right here. What the? What in the world is happening, Pandas? I'm just watching this. Unbelievable. Just do something. Take me out, please. I'd rather feel... It'll be more sane if you just take me out right now. I'd actually be happy if you just took me out at this point. Just choose a direction, please. There's no way I survive this, right, Pandas? There's absolutely no way I survive this. This is gonna stop me out. There's no way I'm gonna survive this. There's no way. There's absolutely no... Oh my god. There's no way I survive this. Do you guys see this? There's absolutely no way. No way I survive this. If I survive this, I'm buying a lottery ticket right now. What? No. Stop. Stop that. Stop that right now. What? There's no way I survive this. 99.999% chance I lose this trade. I lose my runner. What? What? Flabbergasted. Lost for words. What's happening right now? This is disgusting. What is going on here? What kind of price action are we witnessing here right now, Pandas? This is insane. It's disgusting. Straight up illegal. My god. What? No. Wait. Pandas, what? Am I in the Twilight Zone? There's no way I survive this. There's absolutely no way. There's no way I survive this. No way. Oh my god. What? How does that happen? Ends on its high, and the next bar, it opens one tick lower. No way I survived this. There's no way I survived this. Okay. Whew. I don't even care. I mean, it's at least there's some sanity back. We regained some sanity back from that. That is wild. I'm up 162. I'm happy with that. I'll take it. Goodness gracious, takes me out.
5-minute trap.
Reverses to the downside here. Wow, what is that, pandas? Takes me up by the tick, huh? Jeez Louise. Thoughts and prayers to those who are trading this all the way through. What was that? This is 2000 tick chart. Disgusting. Oh well. On to the next. Pandas, remember, there is news today at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And there is big news tomorrow. CPI numbers. All of them coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. I believe will be a make or break news event. Make or break your account news event. So I believe. Great trading range on the 2000 tick chart. It's just vile price action, untradeable in my opinion. It is what it is. And don't forget, we have BBM 80 for 71% off any eval. But also don't forget, we got 50% off any resets. So that means that maybe you want to purchase one eval. I would say if you fail it, then make sure you just reset it. I think it's cheaper just to reset it with the 50% off at around 30 some bucks rather than paying 71% off on the 50K accounts at least. So your resets are actually better at this point, a better value. Put in the chat if you guys are buying anything nice on Prime Day. If you find anything nice on Prime Day to purchase, let us know in the chat. Wowzer, second entry short trigger is a trap trade to the other side. I'm just sitting on pause here. This is way too confusing for me. I mean, trading range obviously on the 2000 tick trading range indicator also identifying the trading range here. It's Prime Day, isn't it? Isn't it Prime, like Prime Week?
5-minute trap.
Or am I tripping? I just recently purchased the Galaxy Flip. Galaxy Flip. Yeah, the Flip 5. And it's like a super prime deal sale, and it's actually pretty cheap. It's like $7.99 right now. Lowest price it's really ever been. And it's the newest one, so it's surprising there's already a sale on it. What? I can't trade this penis. Simply cannot. Eric Johnson asks, what do you think about ICT? Is he a scam or not? He's not verified, I'll just say that much. He is not verified at all. It's really hard to tell. If they're not going to be transparent, you just never know. And I'll have to say the same thing about Al Brooks. He's technically not verified. I don't know. Just trying to be fair with everybody. He's a verified paperboy? Sure. Oh my goodness, Flying 92 just subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. Make sure you hit that bell notification icon and like the video. Goodness gracious. I mean, it's great to trade with you guys. Even though nothing had happened in the market, we are up 162, and I'm happy with that. It's a decent performance. We're just getting ourselves warmed up for our PA accounts, hopefully being activated on Friday, but we shall see.
5-minute trap.
Pandas, make sure you guys are aware of the news at 2 p.m. Make sure you guys are aware of the news tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Just going to recap of this trap trade here. You got a fail second entry long, reverse this trap trade back to the bottom of the trading range. And we're finding ourselves bouncing around here. And that was my trade recap of today. And yeah, Pandas, I hope you guys get your bamboo. And I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:15 for the mainstream. Hope to see you guys there. Trade safe, everybody, and remember the news later today and also tomorrow morning. And make sure you guys are aware of that. I hate to see you guys lose your trades because you guys didn't know about the news. But other than that, pandas, trade safe, everyone. It's always happy trading. God bless. Bye.